Serve your optimism with reality. I don't believe in positive thinking and then waiting around for the good things to happen. Like all good things in life, all the happiness, love, wealth and so on, aren't meant to just fall on your lap. I think this is delusional and it leads only to failure. I also encourage people to believe in themselves and in their power. But not making things look worse than they are. I just believe in the power of controlling our own destiny by controlling our actions. That's why I believe it's truly important to have a high sense of reality with your optimism. If you want to be fully effective and productive, you have to see the reality to be able to change it. Because, actually, positive people have one single major difference: they take what they have and build what they want with that. But if you don't properly see what you have, because you've lived around in your own illusion, you won't be able to build what you want. If you've seen yourself finding in conflict with those around you because of your delusional positive thinking, you are lying to yourself that you are positive and that's why they don't understand you. Optimism, when served in the intelligent constructive way, is contagious and people relate to it. People aspire for greatness. It's in them. The delusional optimism is producing repulsion on a regular basis because it goes against our greatness. There are no positive changes without positive actions. You might have the best ideas, the best talents, the best opportunities, but if you don't take the actions required to achieve higher potential, everything is in vain. Any dream without action is dead. Any plan without action is worthless. Any talent without action is lost. If you don't take action to make positive things happen, you are just the same as those that aren't taking action because they are afraid or think they're not capable, but only with a smirk on your face. That's not something you can call positive. Being realistic is not enough, neither is being optimistic. If you are realistic but you don't have the positive thinking necessary to see opportunities in your realities, your attention will be drawn to the unpleasant things. That's when the saying "what you focus you manifest" takes place. Seeing only the difficulties, misfortunes, pains, and things like this, will make you feel in the worst way possible. Feeling that way will make you behave and think in the worst way possible. From there on is a vicious circle. On the other side of the table, if you are optimistic but without a sense of reality and awareness, you are just basically making yourself blind. It's literally like you cover your eyes with a piece of cloth, and then you walk around in life believing and hoping that everything is going to be fine. Guess what? Well, not. And you will fall into a hole sooner or later. You gotta have both. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. This will help other people find these helpful videos and get a better life themselves. Visit ambitionoasis.com for more motivational content. See you next time.